Hello students, hope you all are doing well and safe at your home. Today we'll move forward and study a new chapter in Social Studies, NCERT Chapter 6, What If It Finishes. So kids, as soon as we look towards the name of the chapter, What If It Finishes, can I ask you all, what is it over here that is about to finish? Yes, it is the natural resource given by the nature to human beings for their better life. Kids, there are many natural resources like air, water, trees, mountains, etc. These natural resources are very much precious to us. Can we imagine our life without air, without water, or any other natural resource? No, we can't imagine. In these days, whenever we have to move from one place to another place, we have to use a vehicle. That also requires a fuel to run. Again, that fuel or oil is a natural resource. We will study about all these in detail in this chapter, What If It Finishes. So, let's go through the learning outcomes of the chapter. The very first one is to know about the petroleum and its product. Then to know about the alternative resources of fuel. Then to know about renewable and non-renewable resources. So let's start with the explanation of the chapter. Now, in the very first page, a bus journey is being elaborated. Today we are going on a school trip to the Adalat Stepwell, Bawali, about 18 kilometers from Ahmedabad. So kids, these students are on their school trip. We can say an educational trip to observe the Adalat Stepwell. As you can observe the Adalat Stepwell over here with a few steps, and this Adalat Stepwell is in Ahmedabad and also known as Bawali in Rajasthan. You have learnt about this in chapter 3, every drop counts. But in this chapter, as we are talking about Adalat Stepwell, it is located 18 kilometers away from Ahmedabad. Now kids, Ahmedabad is the largest city in the state of Gujarat. You can see the map of Gujarat. Over here, the red part is Gujarat and it is located in the western side of India. This is the map of India, and on the western side with the red part you can see that it is Gujarat. It is the capital of Gandhinagar, and Ahmedabad is the largest city in this state. Now let's move with the explanation. We began counting the vehicles on the road. Some of us counted the bicycles, others counted the buses, cars and motorcycles. Abraham, who was counting bicycles, soon got bored. There were hardly any bicycles on the highway. So kids, on their way, the students decided to count the vehicles on the way. And a boy named Abraham, who was counting the bicycles, got bored, as there were a very few bicycles seen on the highway. Now kids, you might be wondering what is highway. Just have a look in this picture. This is a picture of a highway. A very busy road can be termed as a highway, which connects two or more cities together. It is a public road. Now, screech! The driver suddenly braked at the red light. It was a big crossing and we could see the traffic lined up on all the sides. Honk, honk, the sound of loud horns and smoke coming out of the vehicles. Maybe that is why a little boy in rickshaw was coughing so much. I smelled something familiar. I remembered the smell. It came from Baba's tractor in the village. Kids, you can have a look in this picture. This road is very busy. I told you, where all the vehicles are waiting for the green light. A lot of noise pollution and air pollution is caused due to a number of vehicles. Smoke is generated from the running vehicles. Honking, you can say it is a sound made by vehicles together which creates a lot of noise pollution, and due to this sometimes it may happen that it can cause a lot of bad effect to your ears. And because of the running vehicles fuel that is generated, you can feel like coughing or air pollution is also caused. Now whenever you are there on the road, certain traffic rules you have to follow while traveling from one place to another. Let's go through these traffic rules. Follow the traffic signals, pay attention and obey stop signs. Wherever there is a stop sign, you have to wait and give a pause. Do not drive without a valid driving license. You should have a driving license while you are moving from one place to another place. Wear a helmet while driving two-wheeler and a seat belt while driving a car. Very simple. And you should not park your vehicle here and there. You should always park in parking area. So you should not park in no parking area. Now kids, look at the picture on page 110 and write. Now let's have a look towards the picture first. This is the picture on page 110, a very busy road. So by looking at this, you have to answer these questions. What are the different kinds of vehicles that you can see? We can observe auto rickshaw, bus, car, cycle, motorcycle, etc. What do you think? They need petrol and diesel as fuel? Yes, they need petrol and diesel as fuel to run. Which of the vehicles do you think give off smoke? Vehicles which run on motor like cars, buses, motorcycles need petrol, diesel or CNG, and thus they give off smoke. Which are the vehicles that run without petrol and diesel? Cycle and rickshaw can run without petrol and diesel. Now what problems do we face from the speeding vehicles? The vehicles that run in full speed can cause accidents. So kids, this is all for today. Rest, we'll study later.